In this video you will learn how to fix ChatGPT PDF not opening. Refresh the page and restart the app. Reload ChatGPT and restart the Apple browser to clear temporary glitches in ChatGPT. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection, as weak network can stop files from opening. Try downloading the PDF again. Regenerate or re-download the PDF in case the file is corrupted on your computer. Use a different browser or device. Open the PDF using another browser, new device or PDF viewer. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing cached data can also fix loading or display errors on ChatGPT. Update your browser and PDF reader. Ensure your browser and PDF software are all up to date. Now you know how to fix ChatGPT PDF will not open. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.